Big Zambia maize crop expected, but exports unlikely. In this week's African Agri Overview, thanks to the support of Collateral Management International and Zematic Irrigation Systems, Jacques focus on the maize market in Zambia and discuss why they can realize a large crop this season, but won't necessarily export it. All in this week's episode, so make sure to stay tuned. If you would like to become one of our valued partners and get your brand seen in the African market, please contact me on the details displayed now or contact Jacques directly for a more detailed analysis on the soft commodity markets of Africa. Looking at the latest grain prices across Zambia, maize on $320 per metric ton, soybeans on $580, soy meal on $570, and wheat on $500 per metric ton. If you'd like to get more detail on these markets and the dynamics within these markets, make sure to contact Jacques directly and sign up for his latest reports. Collateral Management International, or CMI, operates across the continent to manage and control commodities financed by financial institutions. With over a decade of experience, CMI is known for top-tier storage standards and trusted staff. They specialize in collateral management, commodity storage, stock monitoring, and inspection services, balancing security and operational value for banks and clients. CMI, your leading collateral manager in Africa. But with that, let's jump straight into the latest news on the grain markets with Jacques Pienaar.
Welcome all viewers. This week we look at the Zambia maize market and will focus on the year ahead. We expect for the 2024-25 marketing year to finish at the end of April. Carry-out stocks will be virtually non-existent. We guess around 400,000 tons has been imported since June last year, all from Tanzania. We expect this number could grow to 500,000 tons by the end of April, as the FRA is expected to complete its import campaign on the government-to-government deal with Tanzania by then. Guesstimates 80 to 100,000 tons of early new crop maize were contracted to be delivered April-May, which will buffer supply until the May new crop harvest gathers momentum from June. The Zambia FRA has been supplying ZNS mills / government mills with subsidized maize since last year, which allowed these mills to supply the market with maize meal below the commercial market price. This is slowing maize demand from commercial mills. Some ZNS mills are running out of stock. Stimulating speculation, the FRA has stock on paper but not necessarily in warehouses. Middle February, the FRA indicated it still had 187,000 tons in stock. Rumors the last month the FRA could buy old crop trader stock soon to build short-term stock levels and price levels being mentioned above $350 a ton. However, nothing has been purchased yet. Let's turn our focus to the 2025-26 marketing year. Good rains were recorded since the middle of December across the country, and new crop growing conditions remain favorable. We have seen reports of armyworms. However, of late, this is par for the course, and farmers know how to combat these. Although the planting campaign started late, observers now feel a crop of 3.5 million tons plus likely if normal rains continue until the end of March. Even heard some comments that a crop closer to 4 million tons is possible. We used a 3.5 million ton production estimate and annual consumption of 2.5 million tons for our 2025-26 SND forecast. This leaves ending stocks of 1 million tons. We spoke to a few market players and they do not expect government will allow significant exports the next 12 months, as Zambia have elections next year. They will be keen to have healthy strategic reserves and contain maize meal prices. The next question is how the potential SND scenario we have just sketched can impact prices. This graph indicates the Lusaka maize price history the last 5 years. Since June 2023, prices remained relatively high due to a combination of smaller crops and high export demand. See the yellow circle. However, the market expects this pattern likely to change in due course and prices can move lower, especially if exports are restricted. Speculation, prices could dip towards the $250 a ton level by early May, when the first uncontracted new crop maize should reach the market. See the red line. By June-July, when the main harvest gathers momentum, could see prices slip towards $200 a ton. See the blue line. Next week, we will look at the Zambia wheat market, where the import campaign is being delayed by the government's overdue decision on import duties. Remember, quality information improves decision making. Contact us for more detailed, tailored information.
Thank you, Jock. These videos are made possible by Zimmatic Irrigation Systems. Their pivots are built tough for today's needs and adaptable for tomorrow's challenges. Zimmatic pivots are designed for efficiency, water conservation, and optimized yield management. Don't miss this chance to invest in a system that's built to grow with you and take the next step towards sustainable, efficient farming. Grow with Zimmatic. A huge shout out to our sponsors, Collateral Management International and Zimmatic Irrigation Systems, for making these videos possible. Remember, if you would like to become one of our valued partners or subscribe to more detailed market reports, please contact me now. I'm Dr. Johnny van der Merwe. Thank you for watching and remember to tune in next week for more on the African grain markets.